Hey mate, so you're curious about setting up Storage Replica on Windows Server for some serious disaster recovery action? Well, buckle up because it's going to be an exciting ride through the setup and configuration. Imagine our enterprise has this sensitive data, and we need to keep our clients' trust by ensuring it's always safe, even if things go south back home. Enter Storage Replica, our knight in digital armor. It's like a backup butler, always ready to serve, ensuring data isn't just sitting in cold storage, because here's the good news, it's active replication, which means the current data is being mirrored in real time, it's always up to date and available as if nothing happened. Now, picture this process in action. We have two servers, let's call them A and B. A is the primary site where our application runs, and B is the backup location. We set up two shared folders on each, a primary and secondaries. These aren't your average folders, they're the battlegrounds where data lives and breathes. First things first, we'll go to the server we want to act as our local, primary replica, server A, and install the Windows Server role. Along with Storage Replica, we install essential replication services, set up group policy for configuration, and then jump to the next battle plan, our deployment strategy. Whether we prefer synchronous, where server A and B are doing the heavy lifting simultaneously, or asynchronous, where server B will follow after a quick, calculated lag, it's up to us with our business needs in mind. But that's not even the end of the setup drill. We'll configure connectivity between the primary and secondary sites. Oh, and let's not forget the network setup. Our replica won't thrive without robust connectivity. As we go further into the configuration, we'll decide on the permissions for the services, ensuring only authorized entities can manage this intricate replica. We'll configure the settings to meet our recovery point objectives, keeping in mind the acceptable data loss in case of disaster and tweaking retention policies accordingly. Moving on to enterprise environments, we have to secure our replica setup because we don't want anyone peeking into our secret files. We'll use security groups wisely and ensure the replication data's confidentiality through ACLs, access control lists, managing this sensitive info properly. Once we have this all set up, we enter the realm of monitoring and troubleshooting. Keeping tabs on what's happening under the hood, ensuring no hiccups that might lead to data loss, it's key. So, we configure logging and monitoring to keep our finger on the pulses, we're the vigilantes of our own data. Now that I've walked you through this setup journey, trust me, with a little expertise and careful management of the replica, we can take our enterprise's disaster recovery strategy and confidence to the next level. It's all about reducing risk and stress in case of the unexpected, because when that happens, we're ready to spring into action, grab our data, take it to another site, and resume business as usual or better, with our data replicated safely in the backup location. Remember, implementing all these strategies and staying up to date with our backup mechanisms isn't just a one-off event, it's a continuous process ensuring that our enterprise can bounce back even when the unpredictable strikes. Just like our trusty backup plan, the best laid plans of mice and men are good, but being well prepared for any eventuality is top priority. For more tech demos and insights into crafting impenetrable IT infrastructures, visit Neeraj at QZZ at TechLab. Hit that subscribe button for the latest videos and join a community passionate about tech and security. Remember, in the digital world, your backups are as essential as your front-facing operations. Stay safe, stay secure, and I'll see you on our next tech excursion. Visit neeraj.qzz.io and subscribe to TechLab. It's all about empowering the IT smarty pants out there with actionable knowledge and solid strategies to ensure that no disaster is too great for our digital fortifications to handle. Catch you next time.